Everybody has a person who they admire. Some people admire a celebrity. Other people could like singers or YouTubers. The person that I admire is my dad. There is many reasons and I will tell you about it. First, he is sincere. Many people say that the basic of humans is sincerity. I'll tell you some evidence why my dad is sincere. First, he always wakes up at 6 a.m. My dad is an employee, but his company is in Seoul, which is a little bit far from Anyang. So he always wakes up at 6. But the amazing fact in here is that even though he drinks or goes to bed at 3 a.m., he always wakes up at 6. Second, he is kind. One day, I was playing at the swimming pool when I was a kid. I only had a tube on my arm, so my body was sinking more and more. At that time, my dad held my body and I didn't sink. Also, one day, I just said I want to eat a candy. At that afternoon, me and my dad went to the convenience store and bought me some candies. Third, he is fun. Not always, but sometimes our family goes to gym and we play badminton. When we play badminton, I play it with my dad and it's fun. Also, my sister, me, and my dad knows how to play chess, so my dad plays chess with me when he has time. Sometimes my dad could be my friend. Also, he could be my dad. I like Dad and I admire him. Thanks for listening. Wow!